Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we use delete mark in Microsoft Excel. So for that you have to select the picture and then you have to click on this format tab, which is a picture tool, followed by remove background. Just after clicking, your picture will contain this pink color of box. So here you have to select the area, and let's suppose if you're selecting the areas, like you wanna mark the areas to keep. So if I select these things to mark the areas, so whatever the marking is done here, now you wanna delete the marks. So for that you have to select delete marks. If you keep your cursor over there, then you can see it's clearly mentioned that delete mark, delete lines that you have drawn to change areas to keep or remove. So after selecting delete marks, you can keep your cursor on the lines that you have drawn to keep. So as you can see, when I'm clicking there, the lines is now removed. So that means that lines is deleted. And now whatever you want to do, you can discard all the changes or you can keep the changes. As you can see guys, how it works. That's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.